There you go, man. Oh yeah, no problem.
All right, bro. Appreciate you.
All right, man. You all set, bro.
All right, bro.
Appreciate you, man. If you get a sec, man, I'm gonna send you a thing for a review.
Okay.
Leave that for me if you can.
Yeah, I got you. Sure.
All right, bro. Have a good rest of the day, man.
Send me the car information. Anything else happen?
Oh, nah. It got approved already.
Okay.
So you good to go. And that's how you get to it, bro, on the way to his part-time job. Not the full-time, but the part-time. Getting to it. 2 jobs.